friends, welcome back to Tech Doot. In today's video, I have brought you a demonstration of how to clean or dust your PC cabinet yourself. So I'm going to show you how it's not that of a difficult task to clean up the dust of your PC cabinet, so that you don't have to be afraid about it. It's not at all a technical process, and by watching our video you can do it yourself. So please stay tuned. So friends, to get started with the cleaning process, you can see that I have already unplugged all the cables like mouse, keyboard, DisplayPort and audio cables, etc. from the cabinet, and I have placed it on a different table like this. And now let's unscrew the screws and we'll open it up and proceed with the further cleaning of the internal parts. Okay guys, so the next step is to place the cabinet horizontally like this, and I've already unscrewed the screws for the top lid, so I'm just gonna pull it in order to open it like this. So here you can see how the internals will look like. So based on the time that you open it after, like 3 months, 6 months or 1 year time or 2 years time, you would see some amount of dust would have accumulated on different parts of your internals inside the cabinet. So in my case, I have the tendency of cleaning up my cabinet every 3 or 4 months or so. So you would not see that much of dust inside my cabinet right now. However, as I said, depending upon your usage, you may see like more amount of dust accumulated inside yours. Okay, so whatever the amount of filth or dust that is there in your cabinet, let's get on to it. Let's get cleaning it. Okay, so first I'll start with blowing off some dust with the help of this electric blower that I've got. So with the help of electric vacuum cleaner, you try to clean every corner first, so as to blow as much as possible dust. Okay guys, so the next step is to wipe clean the surface of every internals that you have inside your cabinet, because you know that even after blowing out the dust, there will be some filth, some dust which will be quite stubborn and it will not get off that easy. So let's get wiping. So guys, I know most of us aren't that professional PC users. We are just not that tech savvy. So we are always we always refrain from doing these tasks ourselves. But if you are a little careful when doing this, you do not necessarily need to hire someone else. Do at least the cleaning bit for you. So you just need to be careful around the different pins that are there on the motherboard. So make sure that whenever you are cleaning around those pins, you are not putting too much pressure so that to bend or break any of that. Other than that, anything else, you can just wipe the cloth around it and it will be as good as new. Okay guys, so once we are done with the wipe clean of every other part inside the cabinet, let's use the blower once again, so as any dust which has accumulated again will be cleaned with the help of this. And guys, if you are an advanced PC user or more tech savvy, then you can also go one advanced step into the cleaning process, which is you can unassemble the parts like the graphics card, your hard disk, your DVD drive, or the RAM and the CPU fan, etc., so that you can just unplug them and clean their sockets, their connections individually. So I'll put it back together now. And thank you guys for watching the video till the end. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and consider turning on notifications. And if you are liking what you see on our channel, I'd request you to please like and share the videos with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching Tech Doot. Have a nice day.